Hello everyone. Today we're exploring how ChatGPT and DeepSeek handle Excel VBA tasks. Both ChatGPT and DeepSeek are advanced AI models capable of generating Excel VBA code to automate tasks, such as searching data from a table. However, their approaches, accuracy, and adaptability may differ based on their training data and design. So, let's find out which one is the best and provides us more accurate code for the task. As I wrote down some basic questions and requirements for the task in advance, we will start with a simple question first. As you can see, there are some questions, such as, I want to create a search box using VBA in Excel where the box will search for the employee ID numbers in digits, like 1001, 1002, etc. It's good to start the conversation with a hi, who knows when they will take over the earth. Just kidding. Both tools started generating the code and some additional information to run the code properly with some examples and instructions. At first glance, both answers seem similar to each other, also their additional information are same. Let's find out which works the best. As we can see, the code is working just fine for ChatGPT without any issue and locating the searched cell number with a pop-up message. Now let's check the code for DeepSeek. Although both the code looks similar and seems like to work properly, we need to adjust some code to make it functional for DeepSeek also, just like the ChatGPT as we did earlier. And it also works just fine after some adjustments. Now, let's ask the second requirement, which is, I want to highlight the cell color, either yellow or green. Let's see what they provides us. Here, ChatGPT provided us two sets of code for our requirement. We will use both and see which one works best. Whereas DeepSeek only gave us one code and it looks like one of the code of ChatGPT. Let's find out. After applying one of code of ChatGPT on VBA, we encountered some issue, like all the colors in the column C got removed after we click on the search button. But the highlighted color works just fine. Let's use another code of ChatGPT and see if it solves the issue or not. After applying the second code, it shows some more issues, like the previous highlighted cell's color didn't get removed, and when we search for next ID, the previous highlighted color stays with the new highlighted cell. So, we are going to prefer the first code from ChatGPT, and let's check the code for DeepSeek and see how it works. DeepSeek code is also showing the similar issue as the code of ChatGPT's first code, where all the color in column C gets removed after clicking the search button. So, in order to solve this issue, we are going to apply the next requirement where it will fix these issues. I'm going to ask them, now make the search functionality work with a named table, for example, Table 1, where the columns are referred to by their positions such as Column 1, Column 2, etc. instead of their names. And let's see if they understood the assignment or not.
like.
ChatGPT understood the assignment and solved the issue with its new code. Now no color in the column C gets removed and the previous highlighted color gets cleared after every new search. Now let's see if DeepSeek understood the task and provided the similar solution or not. Let's hope it does, as a lot of people are saying that DeepSeek is way better than ChatGPT in terms of providing quality answers. Now is the time to fact-check this statement. It looks like DeepSeek also understood the assignment and provided us a stable code as well. It also looks like so much similar to the code of ChatGPT. As we can see, the code is working just fine, and highlights the searched cell properly, and the color in column C is not got removed as well, and the previous searched cell color also don't stay after the new search. Before going to the next requirement, let's check if it can also search for the alphanumeric data or not. As our next requirement was, I have some alphanumeric employee IDs such as 131-1003 or 131-1004, please update the code accordingly. And here the code can also search the alphanumeric. And both ChatGPT and DeepSeek can perform the numerical and alphanumerical search through the VBA code with these text box and command button perfectly. We can also check if they can search for the alphabetical value only or not. For example, ABC, with digits or only the alphabets like ABC. It can also search these values perfectly without any issue. So, any one of you want to see the in-depth video of how can we achieve this functionality in Excel using VBA code for our day-to-day Excel work, let me know in the comment section, as it might come in handy for searching data easily from a table with thousands of data. And thank you for watching.